So I've got the cart because I think I'm going to end up doing more shopping. Let's breathe for some time. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel guys. I hope you all are doing great. So happy weekend to everyone. There's nothing special today, no beach, no hike. We just did some grocery shopping. We went to Costco and I actually wanted to buy some stuff from the mall, and I just found out that it's open, so I just came here and let's see. I'm sure they are not like all the stores which are open, just like 4 or 5 stores are open, and I think I might be able to finish up my stuff within those 4 stores because वहाँ पे सब कुछ मिल जाता है. So let's see guys, and stay tuned. I'll be showing you around. Okay, so I found this Dick's sports store open, and this is a very nice store, so I think I might be able to get what I need here. So let's check out. Okay. So it's basically a sporting goods store. All the sports accessories and everything you can get here. Swimwears, basketball, everything you get here. But I'm specifically looking for gym wear, so let's see. I actually got this nice Nike workout top for me and looking something nice for Shivi now. Let's see. I just wanted to show you guys the shutter or the gate which you are seeing right now goes into the mall, but they have shut it down. So basically the other stores which are inside the mall are all closed, and the ones like this Dick's store, and there's Kohl's, Marshalls, there are like multiple stores which are open, still open, just because they have the other door, like the outside door. So all the other stores which are only inside the mall and there is no access through the outside door, so all those are closed. So that's the reason. I've just come to the boys section now. Let's see if I get something for Shivi, because we both were looking for something for gym or running. We were actually running out of workout clothes, so let's see if I get something from. Most of the stores here are like pretty big, so you can get each and everything which you need. So these are the Yeti coolers, like you can take these things to the beach when you're going for a picnic or something. Famous brand. Just wanted to show you guys. All these are mugs, zippers, and there comes the basketball section. Basketball, football, whatnot. They have everything. This is a pretty big store. You can just spend your whole day here. If you are a sports freak, fitness freak, you get each and everything here. The thing is, I've had enough in the past 4-5 months. It's just that I cannot sit at home on the weekends. At least one day I need to get out. I know it's for everyone, like everyone is frustrated, they want to get out of their house. But for me, somehow I have to do it. So I just came after we did shopping from Costco. Shivi dropped me here to the Great Mall, and he's going to come back to pick me up. Depends when I call him, but this mall closes like around 7 p.m. in the evening, and I still have like 1.5 hours. So let's see. And today actually I'm recording on the phone. It might be a bit different from the other videos because I usually have a camera to record the videos, but today I did not plan that I'll make or I'll record anything. It just happened. So I thought if I'm going to buy something, if I'm going for shopping, let's just do it. So yeah, that's why. So I've just come to Kohl's. Okay, so I've made it to Kohl's, and this is another one of the big stores, and they have their own brands also, and they also keep other brands. It's a very nice store. I love shopping here. The quality is so good here. Sometimes I come and buy dresses from here, like if I have to buy a dress for a party or something, so I come here and buy it. To Kohl's, I keep looking at the crockery. They have such a nice crockery and kitchen items, like so pretty, so nice. I just keep staring at them all the time. So I've got the cart because I think I'm going to end up doing more shopping. So I've got this cart. It's needed because I've come after a long time. Okay, finally I've done a bit of shopping and got some stuff for Shivi and myself. Let's just head back home. Shivi's almost about to reach here, and yeah, then we'll relax. Yeah, after this we have to in fact go to the Indian market. We have to grab some stuff. Yeah, I just wanted to show you around because this was not a normal thing to do shopping in lockdown or shelter in place. So I thought, why not just put that into a small video and let's show you guys. I hope it was a bit entertaining for you guys. Yeah, today's vlog was a routine vlog and it ends here finally. I hope you liked this tiny video. If you did, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one very soon. Thank you all for watching. Love you all. Our favorite Indian store, and this is Bombay Chaat House. You don't need a card. We do. Or you'll take that small basket? Okay. So here's Shivi, he has just come. I hope you can hear the birds chirping. It's so peaceful. Yeah.